Hi children, good morning. Welcome you all to your online class. Children, how are you? I hope you all are fine and safe. Children, today I am going to teach standard second subject English. Okay, this is our grammar class. Children, today you are going to learn about noun. Children, before entering to the topic, I will ask some questions. Okay, children. First question: who will give treatment for you when you are sick? Who will give treatment for you when you are sick? நீங்கள் உடம்பு சரியில்லாமல் இருக்கும்போது உங்களுக்கு யார் ட்ரீட்மெண்ட் அது கொடுப்பாங்க? எங்கே போய் ட்ரீட்மெண்ட் பார்ப்போம்? யார் ட்ரீட்மெண்ட் கொடுப்பா? Say the answer. Yes, very good. Doctor. Okay. Children, second question. Which animal protects our home? Which animal protects our home? Okay. எந்த அனிமல் வந்து நம்ம வீட்டை பாதுகாக்கும்? எந்த அனிமல் வீட்டை பாதுகாக்கும்? Say the answer. Yes, very good. Dog. Okay. Yes, very good. Dog. Children, next question. Which district we live in? Which district we live in? நம்ம எந்த டிஸ்ட்ரிக்ட்ல வசிக்கிறோம்? Yes, very good. நாமக்கல். We live in Namakkal. What do we use for writing? Okay, next question. What do we use for writing? நம்ம ரைட் பண்ணும்போது எந்த things வந்து யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம்? Say the answer. Yes, pen or pencil. Children, Namakkal, doctor, pen or pencil. These are all called noun. Okay, children. Nouns are called a naming word. Okay, nouns are called a naming word. Person, place, animals or birds, things. These are all called noun. Okay, person, place, animals or birds and things. These are all called noun. For example, person example, Pooja, doctor, farmer, etc. Then place. Place example, school, park, India, etc. Animals or birds example, tiger, duck and etc. Things example, bag, bus, table. Okay, children, there are 5 types of noun. Okay, today we are going to see 2 types of noun. First noun, common noun. Second noun, proper noun. Okay, children, let's move to the lesson. Children, today is your grammar class. Okay, in this class, you are going to learn about noun and its types. Okay, children. Children, noun. Okay, noun. Nouns are called a naming word. Okay, nouns are called a naming word. The name of a person, place, things and animals are called noun. Okay, the name of a person, place, things and animals are called noun. Children, name of a person. Okay, name of a person. For example, person means girl, boy. Okay, the name of a person, girl, boy. Children, see the next picture. Person example, farmer, policeman. For person means a man or woman, a human beings. Okay, farmer, policeman, for example. Children, name of a place. Okay, place means particular village, town, country, etc. Okay, children, see the picture. Can you guess what is this? Yes, this is a school. Okay, what is this? Can you guess what is this? This is a temple. Okay, school and temple name of a place. Okay, place example school, temple. Okay, children, can you guess what is it? Can you guess what is it? What is it? Can you guess what is it? Yes, very good. Beach. Okay, this is a beach. What is it? Office. Okay, beach and office also name of a place. Okay, name of a place. Children, school, temple, beach, office. Okay, name of a place. Name of a animals and birds. Okay, name of a animals and birds. For example, what is this? What is this? Yes, very good. Parrot. What is this? Eagle. Okay, parrot and eagle name of a birds. Okay, what is it? What is it? What is it? Yes, very good. Cat. What is it? Dog. Okay, cat and dog is a name of a animal. Okay, name of a animal. For example, name of a animals and birds. Birds example parrot, eagle. Okay, animals means cat, dog. Name of a things. Okay, name of a things. Things means an object that is not named. Okay, an object that is not named. For example, clock. Okay, for example, clock, sofa. Clock, sofa. What is this? Can you guess what is this? Yes, very good. Phone. What is this? What is this? Knife. Okay, phone and knife. Okay, phone, knife are the name of a things. Clock, sofa, phone, knife. Okay, name of a things. Children, types of nouns. Okay, children, what is it? Types of nouns. First noun, proper noun. Second noun, common noun. Okay, types of nouns, proper noun and common noun. Proper noun and types of nouns, proper noun, common noun. Children, I explain common noun. Okay, listen. Common noun is the generic name for a person, place or things in a class or group. Okay, class or group. Common noun is not capitalized. Okay, can you understand? Common noun is not capitalized unless it either begins a sentence or appears in a title. Okay, appears in a title. For example, car, tree. Can you guess what is it? Yes, very good. Car, tree. Okay, this is a common noun. Bag. Then car, tree, bag. What is it? Pencil. Okay, these are all common nouns. Okay, car, tree, for example, bag, pencil, flower, men, city. These are all common nouns. Okay, children, see the next noun, proper noun. What is it? Proper noun. Proper nouns are the specific or particular. Okay, the specific or particular name of person, place, animal and things. Children, listen. Proper nouns are the specific, okay, specific or particular name of person, place, animals and things. Okay, proper noun is always capitalized. Okay, so proper noun starting letter, first letter capitalized. Okay, capitalized. Okay, listen. For example, Taj Mahal. Okay, Taj Mahal is the proper noun. Sony TV is the proper noun. But TV means common. Okay, but here given one name, no. So Sony. Okay, Sony TV is the proper noun. Okay, because the specific particular name. Okay, can you understand? Okay, children. Then another example, orange juice. Okay, what is this? Orange juice. Then LG fridge. Okay, LG fridge. These are Taj Mahal, Sony TV, orange juice, LG fridge, Everest, Delhi, Raj, Divya. These also proper noun. Okay, children. First noun is common noun, the second noun is proper noun. Okay, children, now we are going to a activity. Okay, this is interesting activity. Okay, listen carefully. Okay, listen. See the first picture. Who is she? It's a student. Okay, student. So here given three options. So which one is correct? Person, place, things. Person, place, things. So which one is correct? Match it. Person, place and things. Which option is correct option? Already given the answer. Okay, so person. Okay, very good. What is this? Yes, very good. Pond. Okay, wow. Here given three option: person, place, things. So which one is correct? Person, place, things. Which option is correct? Yes, because the pond is the one type of place. No, so second option is correct. Okay, second option is correct. So match the second one. Pond means place. Okay, children, what is it? Yes, cow. Here given three options: person, animal, things. So which category? Cow, person or animal or thing? Yes, animal. Okay, so second option only correct. So match it. Cow, animal. Okay, children, see what is it? Yes, bicycle. Okay, so here given which category? Person, place, things. So which one is correct? Yes, things. Okay, because bicycle is the thing. No, so match the cycle. Bicycle, things. Okay, children, see the next Roman. Egypt. Okay, Egypt. Here given three option: animal, place, things. So which one is correct? Egypt is animal. Animal? No. Place? Yes, very good. Place is the correct answer. So second option only correct. So Egypt, place. Okay, listen. What is it? Bear. Okay, bear. Okay, so person, animal or thing. So which one is correct? Say the answer. Yes, animal. So bear, animal. The second option is correct. Okay, children, see the picture. Who is he? He is a plumber. Okay, so which category is correct? Person, place, animal. Say the answer. Yes, the first option is correct. Person. So plumber, person. Next, what is it? Radio. Okay, person, place, things. So which one is correct? Person or place or things? Yes, things only correct. because the non-living thing no the radio things. Okay children, see the next Roman. Here given lot of images. Okay, we find out for the person, place, animals and things. First we find out the person. Okay, first we find out the person. Person means human beings. Okay, first we find out the person. Which option is correct? Yes, first one, doctor, singer, beach, table, ball, monkey, cat, airport, teacher, horse, farm and books. So first you circle the person. Okay, so which option is correct? Yes, doctor, singer. Then next you check it and say yes, teacher. Okay, circle the person, first category person. Okay children, doctor, singer, teacher, this is the person. Okay children, find out the person. Next place. Okay, here given some places. Okay, we find out the place. First place where? Yes, very good, beach. Then another place, airport. The next place, farm. Yes, first one, beach, airport, then farm. Okay, person, place. Next animals. Okay, you find out the animals. Find the animals. Yes, very good. Monkey, cat, then horse. Okay children, next we find out the things. Okay, first one, table. First one, table. Second one, ball. Third one, books. Okay, first one, table. Second one, ball. Third one, books. Okay children, shall we move to the next page? First person means doctor, singer, teacher. Okay, second place, beach, airport, farm. Then third, animals, monkey, cat, horse. Next things, table, books and ball. Children, first you find out the person. Okay, person means find out the person. Yes, very good children. Second one where? Principal. Third one, king. Okay children, next find out the place. Okay, person, place. Check the place. Check the place name. Check the place name. Yes, park. Park, park, school, church. Okay, park, school, church. Okay, place name. Next, animals name. Donkey, goat, then butterfly. Okay. Okay children, next things: computer, tomato, apple. Okay children, shall we move to the next page? Children, listen here. Here given person means children, principal, king. Place means park, school, church. Then animal, donkey, goat, butterfly. Next things: computer, tomato, apple. Children, it's time for material reading. Children, all are take your material. Unit 1, lesson 1, too big, too small. Okay, unit 1, lesson 1, too big, too small. Children, see the 4th Roman. Okay, fill in the blanks. Choose the correct words from the box. Okay, fill in the blanks. Choose the correct words from the box. Here given 5 options. First option, dosa, school, pink, cradle, baby. Okay, the first question: he wear old pink shirt. He wear old pink shirt. He wear old pink shirt. So pink only answer. Okay, second question: too small to carry the baby. Too small to carry the baby. Baby only answer. Okay, you can't walk to school alone. You can't walk to school alone. School only answer. Fourth one: too small to make dosa. Too small to make dosa. Fifth one: you can't sleep in the cradle. You can't sleep in the cradle. Cradle only answer. I repeat once again. He wear old pink shirt. Too small to carry the baby. You can't walk to school alone. Too small to make dosa. You can't sleep in the cradle. Children, see the next Roman. 5th Roman, circle the odd one. Okay, circle the odd one. Mother, grandpa, school. So which one is answer? School. Okay. Second one, dog, parrot, pig. So which one odd one? Parrot. Okay, which one? Parrot. Brinjal, banana, mango. So which one odd one? Brinjal. Okay. Fourth one, small, short, big. So which one? Big. Okay. Milk, dosa, water. So which one odd one? Dosa. Okay. I repeat once again. 5th Roman, circle the odd one. Mother, grandpa, school. School only the answer. Second one, dog, parrot, pig. So which one answer? Parrot. Third one, brinjal, banana, mango. Brinjal only. Fourth one, small, short, big. Big only. Fifth one, milk, dosa, water. So dosa only answer. Children, see the next Roman. 6th Roman, answer the following. Okay. Children, see the first question. Is Mano big enough to walk to school alone? Is Mano big enough to walk to school alone? Okay. Yes, Mano is big enough to walk to school. Yes, Mano is big enough to walk to school. Y-E-S, Mano. M-A-N-O, Mano. Is, I-S, is. Big, B-I-G, big. Enough, E-N-O-U-G-H, enough. To, T-O-2. Walk, W-A-L-K, walk. To, T-O-2. School, S-C-H-O-O-L, school. Yes, Mano is big enough to walk to school. Children, see the second question. Why can't Mano make dosa? Why can't Mano make dosa? Manu was a small boy, so he can't make dosa. Mano, M-O-N-O, Mano was W-A-S was a small S-M-A-L-L small boy, B-O-Y boy. So S-O, so he can't C-A-N-T can't make M-A-K-E make dosa D-O-S-A dosa. Okay, Mano was a small boy, so he can't make a dosa. Third question, why can't Mano climb on grandpa's back? Manu is too big, so he can't climb on grandpa's back. Okay, Mano, M-O-N-O, Mano is I-S is too, T-O-O, too, big, B-I-G, big. So, S-O, so, he can't, C-A-N-T, can't, climb, C-L-I-M-P, climb on. O-N on grandpa's back, G-R-A-N-D grandpa, P-A-Pa, S grandpa's back, B-A-C-K back. Manu is too big, so he can't climb on grandpa's back. Fourth question, are you big or small? Are you big or small? I am small. I am small. I am small. S-M-A-L-L small. First question, is Mano big enough to walk to school alone? Yes, Mano is big enough to walk to school. Second question, why can't Mano make dosa? Mano was a small boy, so he can't make dosa. Why can't Mano climb on grandpa's back? Mano is too big, so he can't climb on Mano's back. Fourth question, are you big or small? I am small. Okay children, this is book bag exercise. Listen, first Roman, circle the correct word. Okay, here given some clues. Okay, here given some images and clues. Okay, so நம்ம இங்கே க்ளூஸும் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க, பிக்சர்ஸும் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. அதில் நம்ம கரெக்டான ஆன்சரை வந்து நம்ம சர்க்கிள் பண்ண சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. ஓகேவா, பாருங்கள். ஃபஸ்ட்டு ஹூ இஸ் இவங்க யார்? ஹூ இஸ் ஹீ? குயின் ஆர் கிங்? குயின் ஆர் கிங்? விச் ஆன்சர் இஸ் கரெக்ட்? எஸ், கிங். ஓகே, ஸோ king. Okay, see the second picture. What is it? Yes, very good. Dog or cat? Which option is correct? First option, dog, cat. Dog only correct. Okay, so circle the dog. Okay children, see the next picture. What is it? Yes, very good. Cat. Cat, dog. So which option is correct option? Yes, first option is correct. So circle the cat. C-A-T, cat. K-I-N-G, king. D-O-G, dog. C-A-T, cat. Okay children, see the second Roman. Tick yes or no. நம்ம வந்து tick பண்ணணும். Tick yes or no. First one பாருங்க. Listen. The king is fat. Say yes or no. The king is fat. The king is thinking no. So no only answer. Okay children, see the next question. The thing has a fat dog. The thing has a fat dog. Is it correct or no? Yes, yes. So correct. So yes. Then third question. The dog sees a rat. The dog sees a rat. Is it correct? No, because the dog sees a cat only. So no. Then fourth one, the dog runs to catch the cow. The dog runs to catch the cow. Is it correct? No. So no only the answer. Last question. The king runs with the dog. The king runs with the dog. Yes or no? Yes. Children, shall we move to the next Roman? Listen. Arrange the story in the correct order using the numbers from 1 to 5. Here given some pictures. அதாவது நம்ம ஸ்டோரியில் பார்த்த பிக்சர்ஸை வந்து ஆர்டர் இல்லாமல் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. நம்ம என்ன பண்ணணும், அதை கரெக்டாக நம்ம ஆர்டர் பண்ணணும். ஓகேவா? பாருங்கள், ஃபஸ்ட்டு லிசன் பண்ணுங்கள். ஃபஸ்ட்டு இப்போ டாகை கேட்ச் பண்ணுற மாதிரி, டாக் வந்து கேட்டை கேட்ச் பண்ணுற மாதிரி ரன் பண்ணுற மாதிரி இருக்குது. இதில் ஃபஸ்ட்டு பிக்சர் என்ன வரும்? லிசன் பண்ணுங்கள். ஃபஸ்ட்டு இந்த திங்கிங்கும் டாகும் தான் இருப்பாங்க. ஓகேவா? ஃபஸ்ட்டு பிக்சரில் எஸ். இந்த ஃபிஃப்த்து ஒன் தான் ஃபஸ்ட்டு ஒன். ஸோ திஸ் இஸ் ஃபஸ்ட்டு ஒன். ஓகே. இந்த செகண்ட் பிக்சர் என்ன ஆகும்? சாரி லிசன் கேர்ஃபுல்லி. Yes, this is the first picture. Yes, the thinking and the thinking and thin dog. Okay, this only the correct. No, yes, thinking the fat dog. This is the first one. Okay, the second one, the dog sees the cat. This is second. Okay, third one, the dog runs. Okay, then fourth one, the king and dog run fastly. Run. Okay, the end of the story, the thinking, the fat dog became thin dog. This is the last one. Okay, this is the end of the story. Okay children.